How are you doing, folks? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your battery on your Corvette C7, the Keyfob battery. So what you're going to want to do, let's zoom in here, is you're going to want to face the front side of it and press this little button right here. It'll disconnect and you'll get the key. Now, on the bottom side of the key, you want to get the oval side and insert that into it, so we can turn it upside down. You insert the oval side into it, you press it in, and then with a little bit of pressure, you lift up, and it'll snap open. And now you want to be a little bit careful here. So, it'll snap up, and you'll hear it unclick. And what I like to do is just slide the key all the way down, so you can safely disconnect the key from the key fob. This one's a little tight. Okay. Now you want to leave this facing right side up. And try not to touch it with your finger because you don't want the hands and oils all over it. And this will expose your battery. Let's see a bit of focus. Okay, this will expose your battery. What you want to do is just slap it in your palm really hard. And it'll knock out the battery. I think I did this one a little bit too hard, but that's fine. These just snap right back in place. So, alright, so since this one, the spring and the little board came out, you simply insert the spring back into the little hole, and then you insert the spring into that hole, and then you push it back in. Push it back. You gotta like get it under the. Go. Snaps in. And that's the spring actuators for when you let's get that back in properly. For when you disconnect the key. So once you take it out, let's open up our keys. You're gonna need an Energizer 2032 battery. Okay. So once you get your batteries out, you're going to want to go to your key fob, and it has a plus sign. This means positive. So the old ones were Panasonic. Take your new Energizer battery, or whatever brand you so choose to buy, and you put the positive side down, and it'll snap into place. You're going to want to do that for both of your keys, if you're doing two keys. If not, just your other keys. Plus side down. And this leaves the negative exposed. Then you're going to take the bottom part of your key, just put it back on, and it should snap right in place. Make sure you align them. Okay. Oops, I gotta align it correctly. If not, it won't go. Gotta make sure this stays put, because if not, it'll be all fiddly. Okay, as you put it back in place, you now have a brand new battery in your key fob. Do the same for the other one. Make sure you align the little motherboard chip. And you click it back into place. Now you have two new key fob batteries. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching.